Hey guys, welcome back to WP Event Manager, and in today's video I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a marathon style of event listing theme with WP Event Manager, it add-on, and it's the event listing theme itself. So this theme will cater to like physical activity or physical sporting event if you would like. So in this scenario we used marathon, but you can adapt it to very other things as well. So it's very easy to get started. I'm going to show you. Before that we will need 2 extra plugins to get started. So let's go to plugins and then add new, and I'm going to show you which plugins we need. When you are here, we will search for one click demo import, and the first plugin or the first item on the list we're gonna install and activate that. I have already installed it. You guys can go ahead and click on install, then activate, and that's it. The second plugin we will need is Elementor. Okay, so the free version will work just fine. If you have pro version, that's even better, but the free version will just work fine for our purpose. We used Elementor to create the homepage layout, to provide like an out of the box experience for people who are not comfortable with coding. So when you have installed this one click demo import plugin and the Elementor, you are good to go. Next step will be going to appearance, then import demo data. Okay, over here you'll find the event listing theme is activated, right? And if you scroll down a little bit, you will find all the different child themes we have like available for you over here to import from. So choose anything or choose any of the themes that you would like to install or import, and we will get started. So in our scenario, we're going to use the marathon variant. So as I said, this can be useful for a sporting event. You can adapt it to anything. Actually, this is made on Elementor. How to import the data, I'm going to show you. But in case you want to check out the preview first, you can do that. If you click on this preview demo, it's going to take you to our demo website where you can experience the theme in action with all of the WP Event Manager plugins and its functionalities. All right. So let's go ahead and click on import demo, and we will land on a requirement check page where WP Event Manager, of course, is needed. Then we also need the Elementor. And then we have like some star marked plugins. If you see here, these are suggested plugins. If you would like to install them while you are importing the demo data, feel free to, but they are not required. So when you're done over here, you can click on continue and import, and it's going to import all the necessary things that's required for this plugin or the theme. So we're gonna import the home page, we're gonna import some of the demo events as well, and we're gonna set everything to default, and then we're gonna take a look at it in the front end side. Okay, so it's gonna take a while, little bit of time, less than a minute, of course. When done, we can go and visit site. It's all automatic, but there is like some post installation steps that I'm gonna show you right now. So let's visit the site first, and you will be able to see the home page in action. But yeah, if you like pay attention to it like really closely, you'll see like the homepage looks a little bit boxed up, right? Yeah, that's all right, nothing to worry about. That's pretty easy to fix as well. So how to fix it, if you ask? Let's go to edit page. Okay, and in here we're gonna switch the template from this template section from default to Elementor full width. Okay, and click on update. That's it. That's the fix. You can click on this link to preview your website again, or you can like open your website directly, and you will see the home page is now properly displayed. So that's one step after the installation. And the next one will be fixing your menu. So you see there is like a lot of demo pages available here that you will need to sort out for yourself a little bit. This cannot be done automatically. This comes directly from the demo site itself. So you maybe will need to reassign or recreate your homepage menu from the customizer section. So let me show you how you can do that. It's pretty simple. I think you already know how to do it as well, but let me show you once. So from the menu section over here, you can either choose or you can create a menu, assign your items, and then assign the menu to the location main menu, or you can choose an existing menu or like modify or rearrange any of the links you would like to, and then assign it to primary or main menu. Okay, whenever you are done, you can actually hit publish and it will take effect immediately. Two possible menu locations for this theme is, one is main menu or primary menu, that's over here, and the other one is social menu. So the social menu will appear over here in the top bar when showed and in the footer section of the website. All right, so let's take a look at other customizer options over here we have available. So site identity, WordPress defaults thing, you already guys know that what that is. Theme options, over here we have some certain stuffs that we can tweak or customize. So let's take a look at the header settings. Over here we can define an email, and here is a mobile number. If we define that, it will show a top bar right above this menu section or header section, whatever you will call it, before that over here in the top. So let's type out an mail over here. Okay, and let's type in a dummy phone number over here as well. So you will see top bar will appear right here just now when it finishes loading right there. See, you can either like have the mobile number or you can have email address over there displayed. It's not necessary to have both. Whatever you want, whatever you're compatible with, you can have there. And if you have a social menu assigned from the menu section, like I told you before, so the social menu will appear over here in the right. And if you want to show icons, social media icons with your social menu, you can check on this checkbox over here that will show the social media icons with the menu items over there. And you can even show like a search icon in your primary menu over here if you would like. For that, you just need to click on this checkbox over here. That's it. So let's take a look at the other settings we have. Footer sections. Over here, you will be able to customize your copyright text. You will be able to customize the layout of this grid column layout over here. By default, as you can see, it's on 4 grid layout. You can choose from 1, 2, 3, or 4 column layout from here. All right. Show social icons by default is turned on. That means like whenever you have a social menu associated with the WordPress website of yours from the menu section, they will appear over here with respective media icons. All right, so let's go to site layout settings. This is pretty simple and straightforward. First one is full width or boxed layout. So whether you want to facilitate a full width of template styling, that you can set from here. By default, that is the default. And boxed layout will give you a like boxed kind of layout in your WordPress website if you would like that. So some people prefers the full width, some people prefers the boxed layout. So we have given you both options over here to choose from. Then we have the sidebar. By default, sidebars will be disabled unless it's set to show strictly from the page editor, but by default it will be disabled. If you want to show your sidebars, that's also possible. What you have to do is you can choose either where you want to show the sidebar. So options are either on right, either on left. So both options are available over here to choose from. And then the next we have a responsive type of scenario. So this settings over here controls whether you want to show the content first in a mobile website, or like when website is viewed in the mobile device, or whether you want to show the content at the top before the sidebar in a mobile device. So content first means content will be at the top, or sidebar means sidebar first means sidebar will be at the top when in viewing in the mobile side. It doesn't affect desktop. It's only meant for mobile devices. So yeah, that's it from here. Other options are here, of course. Typography, you can customize that. Colors, you can change out every default color if you would like, so that's also possible. You can set an header image from here, you can set an background image from here. And then menus, I have already explained. Widgets, of course, you can add widgets to your sidebar and your footer area. Then homepage settings, WordPress standard homepage settings. From here you can define your homepage and blog page. And then WooCommerce. So we have integrated WooCommerce. This theme works just nicely with WooCommerce. We have taken that into care. So store notice, over here you'll be able to like show store notice site wide if you would like. So you can customize your product catalog settings over here. You can check or like change your product image sizes or like related settings over here. You can even change your checkout settings over here a little bit as well. All right, so this is not a full featured WooCommerce customization section, but the necessary or like required stuff are here already that you can customize from. And then additional CSS, as you guys know, this will be applied globally to override anything that you would like. That's the end of the customizer section. So I'm not going to publish anything. Let's exit this customizer, and I'm going to show you how to actually edit or modify the home page layout for yourself. So for that, it's pretty simple. All you have to click with Elementor. So all you have to do is edit with Elementor. So click on this button, it will open the Elementor editor interface, and over here you'll be able to click and edit, drag and drop to like make or edit this template of yours. All right, so everything is customizable to its core. It's all graphical based, no coding is required. That's pretty simple, right? So you can click and edit anything over here, and when you are done editing, you can hit on this update button. It will update or like take changes immediately. Okay, so you can use coding if you would like. If you don't like coding, that's also fine. You don't have to use. You can use the drag and drop builder or the click and edit editor to modify to your own need. Okay, so when you are satisfied with your edits, you can click on update. It will update the site and you will be able to like preview it in real time. And that's pretty much already concludes this video. I hope I have covered every aspect, and if you're still not sure about anything, or if you have any kind of confusion, questions, suggestions, let me know them in the comment section. I'll be sure to reach you out in there. And until next time, I'm Sharaz saying goodbye. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.